I'm Kim.
Hi, Kim. Kim, where are you from?
Dallas.
Dallas. Okay.
Long ways away.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Showing
so
us.
I didn't hook it back up, but bit.
So we're looking at Kim's Coach batteries.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get in here.
And it says
Can
do
you see
not
over-
remove those caps, so I did not.
She did not remove them. So we taught them in class today. They were going to take a look just at the condition of their batteries, check out how they were wired in parallel or series, and just make sure there was no corrosion or no loose fittings on any of the battery terminals here. So all looks well. And then do you have to do maintenance on your water fill wells on these?
No, because they're not water.
They are what type? GM. You got it. So these are maintenance-free batteries. So we went over different types of Coach batteries, lithium, AGM, or gel, and the lead acid batteries today. So we found hers. Everything looks good. We're going to go on to the next assignment.
Yay,
Okay.
way to go, Kim.